everybody. We're back in the workshop slash garage. I guess it's more of a workshop. There's not much garaging going on in here except for our tractor. Got some pegboard I'm going to put up. After looking at it and contemplating, I am going to put the full sheet up there. Might seem like a little bit overkill, but I want maximum space. And hopefully one day I'll have a bigger area to hang the whole board up and make it a little, turn it sideways, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, got some 1x4 over here I got to rip down so I don't cover up too many holes. Use our table saw. It was paid for itself at lumber savings to buy the same amount of lumber and the sizes I wanted. Was going to be like $9 more. I've broken down a lot of wood with our table saw. Pays for itself. Takes your projects to the next level also. Anyway, I'm going to get set up to do this and we'll get to work. Alright, now we got all the pieces ripped down and cut. I'm going to assemble my frame exactly to the dimensions of the pegboard. It is a little longer and wider than 4x8. But we'll get her done. We got all the pieces cut the way I want them. Now we're going to use this guy, drill some pocket holes. Use pocket holes to hold this thing together until I can get it on the wall. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, there we go. Our frame is assembled and ready for the wall. Locked it in place so it stays square. Put these little pieces on the bottom just for temporary because I'm by myself, so I can rest the pegboard on that when it comes time to screw it to the frame. So let's go over here to this wall. This is where we'll be hanging it. And see what we can do.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
So we're finally finished. Took longer than expected, like usual though. I'm sure projects for other people always usually take longer than expected. I did make some mistakes. I wasn't thinking that putting this side on center stud being 4 foot wide, it left me short over here. So that's why in the hyperlapse you saw me take it back down. I had to put hollow wall anchors in this side, but it turned out well, I think. So it's time to hang the first 2 objects. My 2 pathetic little brooms, but we're gonna hang them up anyway. Got these hooks from Home Depot. I think I'm gonna order some from Amazon because all they have is 6-inch. I would like some 4s. So we'll go on up here. Whoops. Here they go. That's overkill. One. 2. There they are, up out of the way. We're going to continue hanging stuff. But I don't want to bore you guys with all that, so thanks for watching. Hope you guys are doing something cool for yourself. Organization or relaxing or whatever it might be that makes you feel good. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Silly fly. See you later.